The error code 0x80070005 means access denied and typically occurs due to permission issues or restrictions during the Windows update process. Here are the solutions for this error.
First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Windows Update. Press Run. Select if you can't install the update, or if the update is causing issues. I'll choose that I can't install it. Press Yes to scan your PC for errors. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Solution 2. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scanl. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter. Solution 3. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type dism/online/cleanup image/restore health. Press Enter. Wait for your PC to be repaired. Once it's finished, close the window and restart your PC. Solution 4. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Press Run. Select Yes to diagnose your issues. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Press Yes if the troubleshooter fixed your issues. Now close the troubleshooter. First, open the Start menu. Type Notepad. Open Notepad. Copy and paste the text that you will find in the description of this video into Notepad. Click on File. Click on Save As. In file name type, fix.bat. In Save As type, select All Files. Press Save. Right-click Fix.bat and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type Y and then press Enter. Type Y and then press Enter. Wait for Windows Update to be repaired. Restart Windows, and then run Windows Update.